As soon as we arrived in Nuku Hiva, we cleaned the whole boat from salt and moisture. Zero was on the ocean for 32 days and she demanded the luxury care package. And we cleaned ourselves, of course, with a good swim.
Cabrón, ¿cómo estás?
Huevo, todo bien.
¿Todo bien?
Muy bien.
With a clean boat, a fresh crew, and a good meal, we enjoyed our first night at Nuku Hiva.
Honey is so great tofu with the fish, mahi, with tofu steak, with onion, with and egg fried rice.
The next morning, they accepted our time at sea and the quarantine got waived. Surprised and happy about the fast decision, we were able to explore the biggest island of the Marquesas. We set foot on land for the very first time and enjoyed Anaho Bay.
I think it's not working anymore.
The bay is located at the south coast of Nuku Hiva and was the only entry port for boats in the Marquesas. The little town of Anaho is the administrative capital of the Marquesas Islands. Studies indicate that the first people arrived in Nuku Hiva from western Polynesia over 2,000 years ago. The first Europeans stopped at Hiva in 1595. The famous James Cook needed almost 200 more years to visit these islands. 1838, Catholic priests settled in Tauata, one of the southern islands of the Marquesas, to build a mission. Twice missionaries tried to evangelize the Marquesas before, but they failed.
Huh? Yeah? What is it?
Chocolates, all chocolates and snacks. I need it.
In the 19th century, the population of the Marquesas were almost diminished due to typhoid fever, which was spread by one of the many ships arrived in the islands. The population from over 100,000 people in 1820 fell to its low in 1927 with only 2,200 people left. We stayed a couple days in Aloha Bay, but soon set sails to explore Anaho Bay on the north coast of Nuku Hiva. It was a stunning show to watch the sunset over the majestic rocks of Nuku Hiva. Circumnavigating an island is incredibly beautiful, cause you are able to see all the different facets. We sailed into the dark before we could enter the bay, but it wasn't unpleasant, though we got blessed with a little present from the sea.
Spielst du wieder Rolle? Ja? Spielst du wieder Rolle? Kleine Rolle? Wieder Rolle? Machst du? Ja. Andere Seite. Andere Seite. How much was this? There it is.
Is that a host? Yeah. You do some things.
Okay, get some gaff.
The gaff is ready.
Try to guide it to me so I can gaff. God damn it, he's heavy. Woo! Look at this fish!
That's a mahi, yeah, really mahi. Because of the fin.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I mean, wahoo.
Wahoo, not mahi.
Yeah, wahoo, because of the fin. Yeah.
Shit!
Wahoo, yeah. Yeah, this time we got the...
Our praise. We talked about that 5 minutes ago, and now.
And I must have killed him right away.
Yeah. That's a big wahoo. And this time it's a wahoo, for sure.
It is.
It's
It is. I agree.
Yeah.
But that is Are you trying to get all that fish in that freezer?
Yeah, man. Hopefully it will fit.
Unbelievable. You can even catch another one. Oh no, all the frozen fruits need gotta go back in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you ever see a rainbow with both ends in front of you? Me neither. But as we woke up, the miracle appeared. Twice! I was close to grab a shovel. As the rain stopped, we dinked over to explore another piece of paradise, and the first zips of a Marquesan coconut satisfied our mood.
Very good, eh?
And guys, it's not easy to open one of these delicious nuts. We had still a lot to learn and practice our techniques. Moo. What is better than a relaxing day on the beach? Listen to the waves rolling in, to the palm tree leaves rattling in the wind, and to the seabirds singing a song just for you. We arrived in paradise, and it's beyond our expectations.
Okay, that's enough. Shut it off.
Next time on sailingZERO, we explored the nearby fruit plantation of Anaho Bay and set sails to the southwest coast of Nuku Hiva to visit one of the biggest waterfalls in Polynesia. Thank you for watching this video. We made this video for you. If you like it, help us on Patreon to make more videos. And don't miss out on all the other great stories. Aloha. Hey, and don't go without clicking here. Love ya.
It's just me and my boat. It's just me